In this video, we shall discuss on determining the probabilities for the standard normal distribution. For we to determine the probabilities of the standard normal distribution, there are some few rules we need to note so that we can be able to compute the curve for the normal distribution. So, what are the rules? First, number one, we have that for the number one, the probability of z is less than equal to small z is equal to our curve then z. Number two rule, the probability of z is greater than or equal to negative, say z, is the same thing as 1 minus negative z. So this is our curve. Why? This is the standard normal distribution. Number three, if we have the probability of z is less than or equal to small z and is equal to the probability of z is greater than or negative z. This is the same thing as our curve z2 minus our curve z1. And this same thing is also equal to the probability, can be written as the probability of, say, small z is less than or equal to z and is less than or equal to z. While the fourth rule is that if we have phi z2 plus phi z1 is equal to 1. It's equal to 1. So if we have phi z2 and phi negative z1 is equal to 1. Simply put, is that we can write this as phi z2 plus, negative phi z1 is equal to 1. So these are the rules that can enable us draw our normal curve or determine the probabilities for the standard normal distribution. Now, how do we compute our curve? Our curve can be like this. So this is 0 from here. From here to this point, and we also have from this point to this other point. So the whole of these points is negative. While the whole of these points is positive. While the line here is 0. So when do we draw or shade any points we have here on this curve? When do we shade it? We can only shade it when we are able to determine our points or our value on this curve. So this is simply how we can determine the probability for the standard normal distribution. So when we are able to compute with what we have here, it will be very easy for we to put our values in the normal curve, and then we can now do what? We can now shade. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.